I am very excited to call Varun onto the dais to tell about our training. Wait, let's welcome them.
Hello everyone, my name is Varun, studying in 6th class in Shantiniketan English Medium School. A fine morning to one and all. We are doing maths in regular way. Have you heard about Vedic maths? I am going to explain you some of the topics in that. We primarily start with n numbers. For this, 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. We usually write like this. According to Vedic maths, we consider only last number. 8 plus 4 is equal to 2. 7 plus 5 is equal to 2. 5 plus 5 is equal to 0. 8 plus 6 is equal to 4. Our second topic is addition with double digit plus single digit. If we add 5 plus 6, we get double digit. Then put 5 as carrying. We do addition from right to left, but in Vedic maths we do left to right. Since for 5 as carrying, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 5, right, n number of 5 plus 6 is equal to 1. We have to do like this. For more info like this, follow for Shantiniketan English Medium School. Thank you.
Oh, really fantastic performance. Give him a big round of applause.